Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing potato cheese balls recipe. In a bowl, add 2 potatoes boiled, peeled and mashed. Add salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour, 1/8 teaspoon of oregano, 1 beaten egg. Mix. Add 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix. Add grated cheese. Mix. Form into a dough. Grease your palms with oil and divide the mixture into 12 equal round portions. Take one portion, flatten it, place one piece of mozzarella cheese, close it, shape into a round ball. Follow the same steps to make rest of the potato cheese balls. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of flour, add little water, stir. Dip the potato cheese balls in the flour and water batter and coat it with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the potato cheese balls. Potato cheese balls are ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.